Everyone is talking about AI models, but no one is talking about what's underneath it. Because AI, it's not a clever app, it's a proper piece of application which you download with unpredictable and sometimes predictable ends. What people need to understand to get these applications up and running, that it's a layered stack. It's not only an infrastructure, it's not only data, it's not only an application, it's a complete stack which works together and is creating an output for a user or a company or a process. At the bottom, it's a hardcore infrastructure which consumes energy and is running within a data center. On top of these pillars, we've got an AI infrastructure which is using GPUs, which is using networking, which is using storage capacity to provide a part of the layer. Then the software layers, the applications, the orchestration, and all the different layers in there, where by the end of the day, value is created within your complete AI stack. From end to end, data flows in. Within the fabric, it's translated into tokens, and by the end of the day, that's producing the output for a person or a company. And around all of it sits security, compliance. So by the end of the day, if you take a look at such an infrastructure, it's a complete layered landscape. Many vendors look at just a single component or just a GPU. At MDCS.ai, we look through the whole stack to create, by the end of the day, an application which is creating output for a user and which is creating output for a company. And it needs to be a complete synchronous process. 4 years ago, we set up MDCS.ai, a business unit which is focusing for customers to give them their own on-prem AI infrastructure, which is providing them with total cost control, data sovereignty, security, compliance, everything under one roof. Jensen Huang of NVIDIA calls it a 5-layer cake. Energy, chips, infrastructure, applications, models. From his perspective, he's completely right. From MDCS.ai, due to experience in the field, we see it as a layered cake consisting of 11 layers. Not to make it more complex, not to make it more complicated, but we see AI in production, and we also see where AI stalls due to the fact it's not designed and not written for mass production. This is quite often caused due to the fact that AI applications are written, first of all, for personal use. Perfect application, it works for me. If I need to run it on scale, you see that there's a lack of performance in the infrastructure which is hosting the models. I will talk you through all the 11 layers with my experience, customer use cases. So let's get it started.